Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I came to Walmart to grab the deals towards my Ibotta Midweek Moneymaker bonus. I got a bonus for redeem 10 offers, get $1. So I'm going to take you through the store and show you what deals I'm grabbing and the coupons I'm using, and then we'll go over the final numbers at the end. So I'm in the Poise section. I'm going to grab one of these 30 counts at $4.84. And then I'm going to grab this one that's back here. It's a liner for $4.68. Both of those are going to bring me to $9.52. I'm going to use two of these dollar off of one that came in the January 31st. That'll bring me down to $5.52. And then Ibotta's going to give me back $2.50 for each one for a total of $5. That's going to make it 52 cents. But then Fetch gave me two offers. 2,000 points when I buy any Poise product and 2,500 points when I buy a 30 count or higher. So I'm hoping I get back that $4.50, which is 4,500 points. It'll make both packages completely free and a $3.98 moneymaker. So these Lala yogurts are priced at $3.32. Ibotta's giving me back $1.75, but it's attaching to two other rebates, one for any milk and one for any kids yogurt. So if it attaches to all three, it'll give me back $1.95. And then Shopkick is giving back $150 when you purchase it and 25 kicks when you scan it in the store for 70 cents. Rebates, it'll give back $2.65, making it just 67 cents for one. If it doesn't attach to both of the any rebates, the final cost will be 87 cents. So I love this deal. I'm going to grab another one of these Ocean Sprays, Growing Goodness. These are priced at $2.98. Ibotta's going to give you back $2.25, making the final cost just 73 cents for this 8-pack. And it does include this flavor too, the Cranberry Apple Peach. I'm going to grab one of the Purex Crystals. This is the 15.5 ounce, I believe. Yep, right there. These are priced at $2.97. I'm going to use this dollar off of one that came from the January 31st, Retail Me Not. I'll pay $1.97. Ibotta will give me back $1, making the final cost just 97 cents. This is a little freebie. These Febreze plugins are priced at $2.94. We got these get one free up to $3 value in the February P&G. So $2.94 will come off, making two of them completely free, and it is a limit of 2 coupons, so I'm going to grab 2. So I'm going to pick up one of these Aquaphor healing ointments. These are the 1.75 ounce, and these are priced at $4.52. I'm going to use this $2 off of one manufacturer coupon. It does say 1.75 ounce or larger. That's going to leave me to pay $2.52 in the store. Ibotta's going to give me back $2, but then I'm going to get a $1 bonus for purchasing another one on a separate shopping trip, making it completely free and a 48-cent moneymaker. So I was in the clearance section looking for some more clearance makeup. Nothing is free, but I found this Almay for $3.50. There's an Ibotta rebate for $3 back, making it just 50 cents. Pick up one of the Nivea Men priced at $4.98. This is a post shave balm, which is an aftershave. So I can use this $2 off of one. That'll leave me to pay $2.98. Ibotta will give me back $2.50, making it just 48 cents for one. Here is a freebie. This Biotine, the 8 ounce, is priced at $2.98. We have this $1.50 off of one that I printed from coupons.com. That'll leave me to pay $1.48, but then Ibotta will give me back $1.50, making it completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. I was looking for the Alka-Seltzer gum. This is where it's supposed to be. Online it says it is in stock, but it's not. I can't find it anywhere. So in store they are $4.24. We have this $2 off of one that came in the 131 Smart Source. That'll leave you to pay $2.24 in the store. Then Ibotta will give you back $2, making it 24 cents. But if you have the Fetch offer for 100% back on one, you'll get back $4.24 from Fetch. That you can cash out for a gift card to a lot of different places. So in the end, this will be a $4 moneymaker. That was going to help me cover the cost of some of my other items, but my store doesn't have it, so I'm going to go ahead and skip it. I just wanted to put it in there for any of you guys who have the same offer on Fetch. Since they don't have the gum, I'm going to pick up these Heartburn Gas Relief. These are chewable tablets for $4.24. I'm going to use the $2 off of one. I'll pay $2.24. Ibotta will give me $2, making it 24 cents. Last deal I'm going to grab are the Oreo Thins. These are priced at $3.12. I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $6.24. I don't have any manufacturer coupon, but 2 of them is going to bring me to $6.24. Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for each one. And then Checkout 51 is going to give me back $1 for buying 2, giving me back $3 in rebates, making the final cost $3.24 for 2. Okay guys, so I made it back home from Walmart. These are all the items that I picked up. The Poise did end up being over a $9 moneymaker. I did put the correct breakdown in the Google Doc if you guys have the same fetch offers as I do. So let's go ahead and go over the receipt. Here is the yogurt at this is the Growing Goodness, the juice at $2.98, the yogurt at $3.32, the Oreo Thins were $3.12, the Biotin was $2.98 with the $1.50 coupon, the pads were $4.84 with the $2 coupon, the plugins were $2.94 with the free coupon. There's 2 of them. Nivea Aftershave was $4.98 with the $2 coupon. The Aquaphor ointment was $4.52 with the $2 coupon. The Alka-Seltzer chewables was $4.24. What is this? Softeners, $2.97. This is the Purex crystals at $2.97 with the $1 coupon. The Poise liners were $4.68 with the $2 coupon. The Almay mascara was clearance for $3.50. So the only coupon that wasn't working was the one for the Alka-Seltzer. If you read the coupon, it does say heartburn relief juice 32 count or higher, and this is a 32 count, so the cashier did go ahead and push that through for me. So my subtotal before coupons was $51.13. After coupons was $32.75. With tax was $36.47. So everything I got back on Ibotta, I got back $23.20 for the regular rebates, plus my dollar bonus for picking up 10 offers. On checkout 51, I got $1 for the Oreos. On Shopkick, I got 70 cents for the yogurts. And then on Fetch, I got a little over $10, over 10,000 points for the Poise. And then some of the other items that I got gave me a little bit of points here and there. But mainly, I got all of the points for the Poise. So I got back a total of $35.90 in rebates. When I take that away from my $32.75 subtotal, that makes all 14 items that I picked up completely free and a $3.15 moneymaker. That is awesome. I was hoping to find the Alka-Seltzer gum that I had mentioned in the video to help cover the cost, but I did not expect to get back that $10 from Fetch for the Poise. So that was really awesome. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.